Hey guys, today I'm reading Hiccups for Elephant, and it's Jane Peterson and illustrated by Hans Hans Willison Winson. Okay guys, I'll be quiet and let you read it. Okay? If you didn't get enough time, you can pause the video. So I'll read it. You can follow me too. It was nap time. All the animals were fast asleep. Next page. Uh-oh. Okay, I guess that's the next page. Elephant. Except for Elephant, he had the hiccups. Hiccup. Chimp woke up. Okay, pause the video. Okay. I can cure those hiccups, Chimp said. Stand on your head and eat a banana. I think that's funny. Who stands on their head when they have the hiccups and eats a banana? I didn't actually read this book. So you guys know. I'm just going to laugh because it's funny. And what do you guys think? It's funny. I'll let you guys read it now. Okay. If you guys can't hear, and you only hear with the silent language, this is not the one for you. I'm just going to tell you that. Elephant gave it a try. Kaboom! Kaboom! It only made him dizzy. They got bad. Pause the video. Okay. Hiccup. Lion woke up. I could cure those hiccups, Lion said. Drink lots of water very, very fast. Who will drink water very, very fast? They might drown. Don't try that. Oh, and one more thing. You could also choke on it. I'll give you guys a little bit more time to look at it. Okay. Elephant gave it a try. He drank and drank and drank and drank. Don't try what the elephant is doing. Hiccups. Maybe you could try drinking a little bit. Actually, slowly, a lot slowly. I don't really think it's good to drink it fast or eat fast. This is my opinion, and I hope he gets the hiccups away. And okay. Okay. So no, I'm telling you to pause the video because I'm only doing it for 2 seconds. I'm only showing the picture so you can read it for 2 seconds. So see, look what happened. Look what happened. He choked. Eek. Zebra woke up. I could cure the hiccups. I can cure those hiccups. Zebra said, hold your breath and count to 10. I think this works, but I'm not 100% sure. Plus, I think it's gonna go because it has a couple more pages. So, oh, I forgot. Not forwards, backwards. Again, don't try it at home. You could try drinking water, but slow, not fast. And you could try holding your breath, but not for long. Okay? Elephant gave it a try. Okay. Okay, I want you guys to count with me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Let's see what happened next. And again, don't try anything at home. You could try drinking water, but not fast. You could choke or drown. And you could try holding your breath, but not for really long. Okay. And can I tell you a story? A little story? Before I go on with the book? I actually had the hiccups one time. And I searched up how to get the hiccups away. So online, and let me find the page. Well, guys, I won't tell the whole story. I'll save it for the end. Okay. Hiccup. Mouse woke up. He looked mad. He looked like oh my God. I don't think this one will work because the other one didn't work, so I don't think it's gonna work. What is all the noise? Mouse asked. I'm trying to sleep. He looks mad. I hope he doesn't do something bad or mean. It's not gonna be nice. Poor elephant has the hiccups, Chimp explained. Look at Chimp. Look at his face. Look. Hey, next page. Mouse looked at Elephant in the eyes. Boo! He shouted. Everyone waited and waited, but there was no more hiccups. Look at them. At the end, I'll also tell you what I noticed in the story. Worked every time, said Mouse. It works every time, said Mouse. All the animals fell back to sleep. Except for Elephant. Achoo! Deep. I'm just going to skip these words. You guys go read it. Okay. So, let me finish my story. I searched for mine, and then it said drink a cup of water. I took cold water that I have in the fridge, and I drank it. The hiccups went away. You guys could try getting scared and holding your breath and drinking water, but not fast, slow. And one thing I learned, Mouse is happy, Mouse is not. Plus, look at his nose. Okay, that's going to be all for today. And like, subscribe, and comment below what should we do next. Also comment #book if you want to see more books, and also comment what book you want to read next. If we don't have the book, I'm sorry. If we don't choose the book, I'm sorry. It's still okay. It's still okay, but try it. No, have a good day if it's daytime right now. If you're watching it at daytime, or have a good night if you're watching it at nighttime. And bye.